Welcome back to another interesting tutorial about Windows PC tips and tricks. And in this video, I will show you how to know your mode of your Windows PC without any stress. Let me show you how. First thing first, come down below right there. Go ahead and navigate to your start menu. Right click on your start menu, and the next thing you want to do is to go ahead and make sure you click on system right here. And in a few seconds, it's going to take you to your system details right here, just like what you see right here. Now, for you to have access to your system mode, all you have to do is simply scroll down right here. Down below right here, as you can see right here, the particular PC I'm using, the mode of my PC here is HP EliteBook 850G2. However, it might be different from your home. This is depending on the kind of PC you are using. But the best way to check your PC mode is what I just showed you right here. It's that simple. For more useful tutorial, tips and tricks about Windows PC topics like this, consider subscribe. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope to see you in my next video. Bye for now.